Good morning, everybody. I'm back, and I'm your host, the Supreme Litigant. I hope everybody is having a great day. Before I begin with the topic of this video, please go ahead, if you have not already, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on my content. Comment. Please let me know if I'm helping you. Okay, that is very important for me to know. And if I'm not, just ask questions, and then we can just go from there. Letting y'all know I'll be doing a show tonight on Blog Talk Radio at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So I'll see all of y'all then. Okay, but today, the topic of this video is what does unreasonable means in reference to the Fourth Amendment. So I'm going to explain that to y'all. Okay. And I put together a little not a seminar, but like a scenario right here on what unreasonable means. Okay. Hopefully this will help y'all get an understanding. So let's start right here. The Fourth Amendment only prohibits unreasonable searches and seizures. What does this mean? So this is the scenario that I have for y'all. Okay. Whether officers acted unreasonably or reasonably depends on the facts and circumstances. For example, if an officer knew that a red 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali with the first three license plate numbers 629 had just been stolen, the act of the officer stopping such a truck would have been reasonable, i.e. lawful, even if it were the wrong truck. But if the officer did not have a description of the stolen truck and instead stopped the truck because the driver looked suspicious, then the stop would have been unreasonable, meaning it would have been unlawful. So, in other words, in reference to the Fourth Amendment, unreasonable means unlawful, and reasonable means lawful. I cannot stress that to y'all, enough. Whatever they do to you, it must be reasonable. So, in other words, whatever they do to you, it must be lawful. It must be lawful. It must be lawful. It must be lawful. Lawful in reference to the Fourth Amendment means reasonable. So, thus, the standard of the Fourth Amendment and Article 1, Section 5, which is basically the Fourth Amendment under the Alabama Constitution, is reasonableness. Whatever they do to you must be reasonable under the facts and circumstances. They will always determine if you have been lawfully, meaning reasonably detained, or unreasonably, meaning unlawfully detained. The facts and the circumstances will always determine that. Always, 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 always determine that. It's just that simple, y'all. It's just that simple. The reason, let's go here, right here. The officers have a description of the stolen truck right here. It's a red 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali with the first three license plate number 629. So if they stop a red 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali with the license plate of this number right here, that number right there, then that stop will be reasonable, even if it was the wrong truck, because the officers acted reasonably. Do y'all see what I'm saying? They acted according to these facts right here and those circumstances. That's what they acted to. So it would be reasonable even if they stopped the wrong truck. Okay. But if they didn't have a description of the stolen truck and instead just stopped somebody because, well, this guy looks like he stole the truck, or this truck kind of looks like it, even though it's not really matching the description, the guy is acting suspicious or something like that. So we're going to stop him and just see if this is the truck. That would be unreasonable. Thus, it would be unlawful. Do y'all see what I'm saying? The facts and circumstances will always determine if you have been lawfully arrested or lawfully detained. They will always determine that. Always, always, always. So know the facts of your case. Just think, if you study law and you learn the law and you start to learn your rights, just think of who would be more qualified to argue your case than you, because one, you know the law and you know the facts to your case. So you know how to apply the relevant case law to the facts of your case and argue your case. Do y'all see what I'm saying? It's just that easy. Just that easy. Hopefully this video helped y'all. If it did, thumbs up. If it didn't, just please let me know. Let me know if it's not helping you. I'll see all of y'all later on tonight. The topic of the discussion, we're going to be talking about how to sue the police. Is going to be a Q&A again. I had some pretty good, had one pretty good caller last night, and he actually bought my book. He was commenting on the book that I drafted. So hopefully I get a lot more callers than I know. Everybody's busy, but just bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to make this as accessible for everybody as I can. But anyway, that will be the end of this video. The Supreme Litigant is out. Peace.